All right, folks. So I want to show you what happens when you use Hodgepodge. Okay, so I use some Hodgepodge over here, just a little bit at a time, and put it out directly on my brush. And well, first I put it on this, just in the red areas, where you see the red. Then I put it down, and then I put the Hodgepodge all over before I put the red paint on there. Over here, I simply threw the thing down and spray painted. Okay, and you can clearly see the Hodgepodge method works a lot better. There's still some issues in here, just a little bit of issue there. Over here, way too much spray and bleed, way too much, unacceptable. So it does work a lot better. I have to get better at my application of Hodgepodge because some of my flags are just looking nasty. Like, you can definitely tell where the Hodgepodge, I put too much on it versus situation here where you can't see that I even used it. Over here, this is pretty cool. What I decided to do, because I sprayed a heck of a lot of paint on this thing, I flipped it over and just pressed it down. And so that looks kind of cool. Nothing I can salvage here, but I just wanted to kind of test out this stencil that I have. So, I mean, the world looks kind of cool, but, you know, rustic, if you will. I mean, maybe I could make a little sign out of this called a rustic, you know, flag there, Navy flag. But, we'll see. It's kind of cool, but I just intended to play around with it, so.